Um, in all honesty, like interviewing basketball tsaka yung volleyball teams namin ngayon sa NU. Para the difference for me was mas madaldal yung basketball team in a general, yung mga lalaki. Walang filter yung mga sinasabi nila. They just say what they want to say and then ikaw na bahala to filter it out or what you want to say sa reports mo. I think that's the difference. Sa women's volleyball team ko naman, they're more cautious kapag sagot sa mga interview. They really think of what to say and talagang it takes them time to answer the questions and they really take it in yung mga questions compared sa basketball team. So, I would say that yung mga sagot naman nila sa mga interview, very malalim naman. It's very insightful. But, ayun, mas madaldal talaga yung men's basketball team.